Hello, good afternoon students, Jai Sanskar. So now in lesson number 9, we reached our third and last point of this lesson, and this lesson is about asexual reproduction. Let's read and understand. I have again written the points on the board from where I will teach you, I will give you the knowledge about the particular topic. Sorry. And again I am telling you that you don't need to write down this into your copy. તમારે બુકમાં લખવાનું છે નહીં. This is just for my points and so that I can make you understand, and I will not forget any points to make you understand. So let's read and understand this. This is very simple things. Asexual reproduction. See, in our last videos we have learned about the plant reproduction, animals reproduction, and whatever we just learn about the reproduction in plants and animals, that is on the land. Animals and plants are living on the earth, and it gets the full platform that is called land. But what about the hydra or aquatic plant? Aquatic plant which is living into the hydra means water. What is the meaning of hydra? Hydra means water. So now we are going to learn about the plant which is grown into the hydra. Hydra means water. In each hydra, there may be one or more bulges. What is bulges? That you can see in the picture. There is a green patches like a structure, bulges, which develop into new individual, and they are called buds. Example, yeast. See, you can see that there is a green patches on the aqua, that is water, and it develop into the individually means new plant and more new things. And the best example of this is yeast. Now it is outgrowth from a single parents. See, in previous videos you have already learned that for the plant reproduction and for the animals reproduction, they needed two pairs. They need a pair, like a male part, male gamete and female gamete. But in this type of reproduction, it is outgrowth from a single parent. Only one parent is needed. In asexual reproduction, only one parent is single parent. Sorry, not parents, but single parent is needed. This type of reproduction is called asexual reproduction. Since a new individual developed from the bud in a hydra, bud means in a bird form, and a hydra means water. This type of asexual reproduction is also called budding. What is budding? Budding means the new plant develop into the bud form in hydra. That's why it is also called budding. Another method of asexual reproduction happen in microscopic organism and amoeba. What is microscopic organism? Yes, microscopic organism means the very, very small size organism that you can see only with the help of microscope. You cannot see it with the naked and your eyes. So that's why they are called a microscopic organism, and also a amoeba. So we'll go through the reproduction in amoeba. Why? Because you know that amoeba is a single celled organism. एक single cell organism છે. From one cell whole amoeba produces. It begins the process of reproduction by the division of its nucleus into two nuclei. What happens? For the process of reproduction, what amoeba do? Amoeba first of all do that it will just divide himself or herself into two nuclei, that is called daughters. They are the daughters of amoeba, and each part receiving a nucleus. Now they both have different nucleus. See, the amoeba is a single cell organism which has only one nucleus, but from when it is reproduces, what happen? It just also divide itself into two nucleus, that is called nuclei. Finally, two amoeba are produced from one parent amoeba. So from one parent amoeba, two amoeba are produced. This kind of reproduction in which an animal reproduces by dividing into two individuals is called binary fusion. This kind of fusion is also called binary fusion. From one organism it is divided into two organisms. So what do you learn from this point? You have learned from this point that there is another mode of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the best example is Hydra plant, which is developed in a bulge, and in this bulge is the new individual produces, for example yeast, and then it is outgrowth from a single parent. Only one parent is needed for reproduction. This type of reproduction is called asexual reproduction and also called budding. And another method of reproduction is microscopic organism and amoeba. From other mode of reproduction, now let's see how amoeba reproduces. It just converts its one nucleus into two nuclei, and they both are the new individuals that you can see. This way the amoeba reproduce. It is also called binary fission. So here the 9.3 as well as the whole chapter is over.